Another day.
Another watch. All the way from Tokyo, Japan. Buying Rolex from the Philippines.
From the legend.
Wow, grabe. Thank you, legend.
Parang kamukha mo nga talaga si ano.
Si Joshua? Hindi, ma'am. Hindi ako yung kamukha. Yun o, brother Joshua. Tuloy na natin yung outing. Ibibigay na natin tong dalawang kotse natin. O pare, maraming salamat po sa kayo na po bahala dito ha. I-turn over nyo na. What's up guys? Another watch, another day, ma'am. I didn't get your name, sorry.
Miss Kay Chang, yes, from Japan Jewelries. And my husband
Sir.
also.
Nice to meet you. From Japan, right?
Yes, from Tokyo,
Japanese is here.
Japan.
From Tokyo, Japan. All the way from Tokyo, Japan. Buying Rolex from the Philippines.
From the legend.
Wow, grabe. Thank you, legend. Oh, bro, may corona. Do you guys live in Japan?
Yes.
And you
we
said that
live
you have jewelry shop?
Yes,
Where?
we in Tokyo. I do also live selling of diamonds and the high-end jewelries in Tokyo.
Your market is in the Philippines or?
Yes, my market is almost 80%.
So doon ka nagla-live sa Tokyo,
Yes.
pero dito yung mga buyers mo. Very nice. Congratulations doon sa business nyo na yun.
Thank
Maraming
you.
salamat. Is there any special occasion where you're buying a Rolex?
It's his birthday month, that's why.
Oh.
So I'm planning to give my husband.
Sana all. We prepared a couple of watches. This is more sports watches. This is the Daytona reference 126500. This is the latest one. And we have here the Hulk naman. One of the most iconic sports model
Which
ni
is-
Rolex.
Ito na ba yung discontinued?
Discontinued na yan, ma'am. Wala nang ganyan. We also have the Sprite in case sir is a lefty. Or even, you know, you can enjoy it even if you're a righty naman eh. We have a Pepsi na Jubilee rin. So these are GMT models. And this is also a GMT but an oyster bracelet. This is what we call the Batman naman. So which one? This one? You can try it. This is actually very sought after. It's the Hulk. In history right now, it's the most sought after. It's the only Submariner that has increased its price. So kung makikita mo, Sunburst Green. Yeah, reference naman ito is 116610 LV. LV means in green. So there are 3 generations of LV. First LV is the 16610 LV. That's what we call the Kermit. The next generation is yung 116610 LV naman, which is the Hulk. And the third generation is the 126610 LV, which is the Starbucks.
So iba pa yung Starbucks
Yes,
for
the Starbucks and the Hulk is different. What do you think? This one?
Okay. Parang kamukha mo nga talaga si ano.
Si Joshua? Hindi ma'am, hindi ako yung kamukha. Yun o. Ayan, kamukha ni Juan. Kamukha ko rin si Daniel eh, pero ewan ko lang. Namimili ka
Naku, lagot ka kay Joshua.
Ay hindi tropa ko yun si Joshua. Mas gwapo yun sa akin eh. Brother Joshua, pare naman. Tuloy na natin yung ano natin, outing. Hindi matuloy-tuloy eh.
Papanson dapat kami.
Hindi man panso, balisin naman.
Kala ko Jets Island.
I'll give it for 1,150. For this 2018 last of its kind, never been polished like new.
Not
Yeah.
1-1?
Hindi kaya ma'am, 50,000. Grabe naman, parang 5% na yun.
1-1-50.
Yeah,
Is that a
50,000.
complete inclusion?
Complete
With that?
inclusion, everything. Done?
Done.
Done. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday
Sir,
pa.
thank you so much. Congratulations ha. Oo, paring G. Birthday month daw niya. Ano gagawin mo?
Yes.
May ano kami dito yung pa surprise.
May pa-surprise. Ano pa-surprise natin?
Happy birthday, sir!
Oh, wow!
Naka-Hermes ka ma'am ha. Ganda niyan ha. That comes with warranty ma'am. 1-year warranty sa amin yan. Guarantee that everything underwent the 7-step authentication namin. The water testing, everything, lahat yan. Nagiging very aware na yung mga Pinoy no. Ang dami na nilang nagla-luxury. Really?
Another day.
Another watch. Grabe. Umabot tayo hanggang Japan. So yun guys, done deal. After this, we're going to BGC. We will meet sina Primo Shine kasi bumili tayo recently ng Lexus natin na LM. And bumili rin tong si Manager. Ayan, si Boss Manager, bumili siya ng Sea Lion niya na BYD pare. Sea Lion, mga palakpak. Ganun ba? So di na tayo ngayon sa BGC guys, ibibigay na natin tong dalawang kotse natin. O pare, maraming salamat po sa kayo na po bahala dito ha. Ayan, yung BYD ni Boss Manager, at saka itong Lexus natin pare. Pang kliyente to guys, pang clients to. Panundo ng clients at saka pang hatid. Yan ang namin makukuha after ilang days.
Kay Boss Roy na lang po.
Boss Roy, baka naman, Primo Shine. Ayaw nyo ng 3 araw lang. Bago kasing kuha niya ng ano niya, kare, congratulate nyo siya oh. May BYD electric yan. Kasi to, electric din to. Paano ba yan? Primo Shine. Boss, kayo na po bahala dyan ha. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po sa
Yan,
tiwala.
I-turn over nyo na.